Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to report subreddit on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So to do it is quite simple. For example, you find some offensive and posts you don't like, you don't enjoy it. So just simply click on three dots here and you can see report option. Click on report. You need to choose why you want to report this, for example, hate, minor abuse or sexualization and others. Click on next, and here you need to choose what type of abuse was in this post. So for example, this, click on submit, and as you can see, Reddit says thank you for your report, and you have a possibility to block uh, subreddit you reported. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.